Hello, good evening. Cindy Bernal Hapil, Division Manager ng Dreamhouse Realty. So, Pacific Town, Kabuko presentation tayo. So, about the developer, Pacific Town Property Ventures Incorporated. So, since September 21, 2026, the company has created out of the desire of its directors to provide the affordable housing with features that is associated with high-end development. Top 9 developer NCR year 2023 sa Pag-ibig yan, and best in conversion year 2023. So core projects, we have Pacific Town Concho, Pacific Town Executive Village, Pacific Town Executive Homes, Pacific Town Park Villas. Puro po yan sa 13. And yung bago ngayon, Pacific Town Kabuko in 13 pa din, Pacific Town Candelaria in Quezon, and bagong-bago Pacific Town in Naik, Cavite. Pacific Town Kabuko is located in Barangay Kabuko, Trece Martires, Cavite. May LTS na tayo, so good news. Open in the wide na tayo mag-promote ng ating Pacific Town Kabuko. With typical floor area sa end unit 42.34 square meters. Inner po pala yun. Ang end natin po is nasa 57.75 square meters yung end. Pero yung floor area po natin is pareho lang. Ang floor area kahit po end, kahit po inner is 42.34 square meters. Ang lot area natin kapag inner po is 42 square meters, pag end unit 57.75 square meters. Ayan po. Next. Project overview, ang land area natin is 42,670 square meters. Total number of units, 413 units. Our amenities, clubhouse, basketball court, children's playground, landscape park, material recovery facility, and community facilities. Developer, Pacific Town Property Ventures Incorporated. Our amenities, mayroon tayong gate and guard house, clubhouse, basketball court, and parks and playgrounds. House features. So, meron tayong individual gate and fence, individual parking area, provision for 2 bedrooms, may powder room tayo, may toilet and bath, tiled kitchen countertop, complete plumbing and electrical fixtures, concrete and steel stairs, vinyl with wood handrail, windows, sliding aluminum, swing door. Ito yung ating floor plan. Ayan. Ito yung ating ground floor 3D depiction of turnover unit. Next. Ayan siya. May parking area. Ayan yung loob. Sa dress-up unit po yan para ma-imagine mo pag may mga laman na sa loob. Okay. Second floor. Ayan. So, pareho po ang ating model house doon sa existing community sa Concho, sa Pacific Town, Concho. Ganyan po, may gate na, may fence. Ayan. Smooth cement finish. Wala lang pong tiles, pero at least naka-painted walls na po tayo. Stairs pataas. Ayan. Second floor, naka-open layout tayo. Provision for 2 bedrooms. May na siya, may kisame na siya. Nasa labas yung ating kitchen counter para pag na-cover yan, at least malaki ang kitchen area, ay ang ating dining area sa loob. Kasi nasa labas na yung kitchen area, No need na magpa-bakbak or magpa-basag ka ng sink sa loob. Concrete and steel stairs, vinyl with wood handrail. Ayan ang itsura ng ating parking area. So, gated na po talaga siya, oh. For visualization only, ayan, huwag lang tayong makopyright sa YouTube. Ipadala ko na lang sa iyo itong link para mapanood po ninyo. Pero for tripping, pupunta po tayo sa Pacific Concho para po doon sa ating model house. Para sa ibang katanungan, directly PM me, daily tripping and reservation.